وحاولنا هذا the youngest player of the pitch or the best player, youngest best player is the lad from Selfie. صدهم معك
بحر سجود يا بحر لقب سير سفير بحر
Okay,